Welcome to Mass Guru Educational Services. If you are studying with us for the first time, kindly hit on the subscribe button so you'll be informed anytime we upload a new video on this platform. Today we are going to discuss mean, median, and mode. It is simply going to be an introductory class to what we're going to do on mean, median, and mode. So you have to stay tuned. You get the other aspects of our discussion. These questions are picked from section 11. The numbers are there. You can cross-check your past questions on Fed 840 to confirm. And we are required to calculate the mean, the median, and the mode of the distribution given to us here. We recall that the mean is the average of a distribution. The average of a distribution is what we call the mean. So the mean is the sum of the scores of a distribution, all these scores we have, and dividing it by the number of scores we have in the distribution. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have all together 5. So our n is equal to 5. Now, the mean, let's go straight to our calculation. The mean is given by x bar equal to summation x over n. And summation x simply means we add all these scores. 5, 7, 8, 8, 12. When we add them, that is 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 12, and then we divide it by 5, which is the n. And we're going to have 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 12. We have 40. You can confirm that over 5. And this will be equal to 8. Therefore, the mean of this distribution is equal to 8. So the correct answer is B. Now, let's go to the median. The median of a distribution is the number or the score that appears at the middle when arranged in ascending or descending order. So, but for this distribution, we don't need to do any arrangement because it is already arranged in ascending order. So we can simply look out for the numbers that appear at the middle. So we have 5 here, 5 off, 7, 7 off. So we have 8 being the numbers that appear, the number that appears at the middle of that distribution. So 8 is the correct median. Now, the last question there is the mode of the distribution. The mode of a distribution is the score or the number that occurs most frequently in the data set. So we have the data set here. The number that occurs most frequently is what we refer to as the mode. So if you take a good look at this, you'll notice that 8 appears 2 times, while the other numbers appear just once. Therefore, the mode of this distribution is 8. And so B is the correct option. So they are all B, B, B. Now, let's consider this second question. Use the following data to answer the next questions. And we have 6, 7, 4, 4, 8, 12, and 8. We are required to calculate the mean of this data set. So let's quickly do that. Recall that mean is equal to summation x over n. Now, let's count the n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our n is equal to 7. Now let's go for summation x. So we have 6 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8. And we divide it by 7. So let's do that together. We have 6 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8 again, and we have 49. So we are going to divide that by 7, and this will give us 7 as the correct answer. Therefore, the mean of this distribution is 7, and that is C. C is the correct option. Now, question number 23 here. The median of the data is what? So, to find the median here, you notice that these numbers are not arranged in ascending or descending order. So, there is need for us to arrange the numbers again, either in ascending order or descending order. So, we are going to do that in ascending order for this class. So, we have 4, which is the lowest number. Okay, we have 2 4s there. We have, after 4, we have 6. Then we have 7. We have 8, and then we have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's look out for the number that appears most. At the middle, sorry. So we have this out. All right, we can now see that the median is equal to 7. Therefore, the correct option is D, which is 7. Now, let's talk about the mode. In this distribution, we notice that we have 4, and we also have 8, which appears 2 times. In this case, the 2 different numbers are going to be taken as the modes. 4 and 8 are the modes of this distribution. So the mode of a distribution can be 1, they can be 2, they can be 3, and more. So if we have the modes to be 2, like we have in this distribution, we refer to the distribution as a bimodal distribution. Therefore, the modes of this distribution is what we have in D. We have 4 and 8. Thanks for studying with us. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video with other members of the group.